In Ayurveda, this Ugadi Pachadi is called Ashoka Kadika Prasanam. From Ugadi, if one takes this prasadam for 15 days, it will protect for 1 year. Till the next Ugadi, we will be healthy. This is the importance of Ugadi Pachadi. And now we are proceeding to the Panchanga Sravanam. Listening to our religious almanac or the Hindu calendar or Vedic calendar. In India, we calculate the new year and also the results as lunar, Chandramanam, solar, Sauramanam, and Jupiter, Barhaspatyamanam. We follow Chandramanam because Chandra, the moon, Surya, the sun god, they are the Prakshaksha Devatas, and they will be seeing all our actions, whatever we do. And hence we calculate this Panchangam under the lunar or Chandramanam. And another important and very happy thing is our Panchangam is the national calendar in India. And also Salivahana Seka, that is followed by the government of India for all the official purposes. That Salivahana, that Satavahana belongs to our Telugu people and Telugu dynasty, and all of Telugu people should be very happy about this. So this particular year, Navanayakas are there. Swasti Sri Chandamana Vikrutinama Samvatsaram. The Navanayakas, King Kuja, Minister Buddha, and also Military General Kuja, Sasyadipati Seni, Dhanyadipati Guruhu, Arghyadipati Kuja, Meghdipati Kuja, Rasadipati Chandra, Nerasadipati Shukra. Of the 9 leaders, 4 are good and 5 are not that much good. Due to this happening, Vikritau Prakritir Yati, Vikritim Vikritistatha, Tadhapi Modate Lokaschasmin Vikriti Vatsare. A very interesting and special feature. That Prakriti, nature becomes unnatural and unnature becomes natural in these days. That is what we are experiencing and what we are seeing throughout the world, in between the human beings and also in the general society. In spite of this, Tadhapi Modate, in spite of all this, people will be happy in this Vikriti year. And also it will be very average for agriculture, and also some problems are there for the government. There is every possibility of clashes between the central government and the state governments. And also Ativrushti and Anavrushti. There is price rise and also communal disturbances. And also the rampant corruption, rail and road accidents. This possibility is there, and youth, particularly the backbone of our country, the youth are exposed to immorality, greed and over-ambitiousness, suicides, and also the problems will be more for the youth. And this indicates the importance of parents, teachers and the government in giving a lot of encouragement to the students. So like this, the things will be happy for the people. And in this year, Makara Sankramanam, Sri Vikritinama Samvatsara Pushya Suddha Dashami Sukravaram, night at 11:39, the Makara Sankramana Punyakalam is there. Pushkaraha. This year we are having the Pushkaras for the Pranita river from 6th December 2010 to 17th December 2010. Spiritual bath in the Pranita river, Pinda Pradhanas and all other charitable activities and rituals are being conducted on the days of these Pushkaras. Now we are going to the very important, very interesting and for which we are all waiting. That is the important part of Panchanga Sravanam. How will be this Vikriti year from 16th March 2010, that is today, from this Ugadi festival day till 4th April next year 2011, or the whole year, what the result is awaiting. The zodiac sign wise or results are Palitalu, forecast of the important events. So these are the broad guidelines by which we can mold our life and we can have guidance. Mesha Rasi, Aries. For the people of Mesha Rasi, Arians, the income or Adayam 8 and expenditure Vyayam 14. Rajapujyam. Rajapujyam is the public honor, public respect, respect from people. For Mesha people it will be 4, and Raja Avamanam, dishonor from the public, will be 3. So this is a very fantastic year for the Aryans in terms of contacts and contracts. A lot of new ventures will be coming into fruition one after another during this Vikriti year. Though they have more expenditure of our income, they are placed high in social circles. The employees and for officials it is a very good time. There will be promotions, increments, good with all higher officials. Good relationships will be there with the officials working at the places. Agriculture is a flourishing time and also good yields and reasonable prices. Students, it is a nice time and they will be having more success in the examinations. Anyhow, they have to take care about education abroad. And for contractors, a very profitable time, and for the finance business will be flourishing. And for women, a great year, a respect from family, marriages will be celebrated, and also artists, the TV, cine and other artists, they will be having good opportunities with hard work. And for these people, it is recommended to read Bhagavad Gita and put into practice. Avoiding pride, listening to Vishnu Sahasranamam and Durga Kavacham, it improves their fate. They have to maintain good relations with people in the family. Vrashabha Rasi, Taurus. This is a very ordinary year for the Taurians. The income is 2 and the expenditure is 8. Honor 7, dishonor 3. For employees and officials, a normal year with little scope for promotions. And you have to try for good relationship with superiors and colleagues. Businessmen, a lot of growth in business over the last year and new ventures in business will be successful. Those with agriculture as profession, a problematic year with less yields, and for finance business, it will be flourishing. For students, good success with high marks, and also marriages for the youth, problems with children. And for women, it is an auspicious year. And for the artists, there is a possibility of getting awards for the TV and cine artists. Good opportunities with high remuneration will be available to them. And also for politicians, the problems with followers will be there, and the political uncertainties group to be maintained properly. And for all the people of this Vrashabha Rasi and the Taurians, listening to Kanakadharastavam and Lalita Sahasranamam is advised, by which you can have the blessings of Goddess Lakshmi Devi. And also we must try to maintain relationships in the society, and the importance must be given to the mental dimension of the personality, whereby you can have good thinking and good ideas. And the